Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $75 to $500 per gig typing. So you're going to be making money doing this with your fingers and making fast PayPal cash. So let's get started right now. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you a very awesome site, an opportunity that can make you good amount of money. However, this does not generate any passive income for you. So this is going to be trading time for money. And that's okay if you want to trade time for money, because you need to earn money, right? So if you earn that money though, and you want to do something that is even better, which is earning passive online income, check out the first link in the video description. And that is going to teach you some online skills where you could develop your own online business to make a lot more money and make a passive online income stream with your online business. So let's get started with this method. The site that I want you to go to is Skyward at skyward.com. Okay, this is a content marketing company. So this is where a lot of different companies or even individuals who have businesses and they need help producing content. So this is where you come in as a freelancer working for them. So on this front page, you don't really need to know that much about this front page. It's really for their clients who want to use their service to get articles written. So if you want to do some typing for these guys, go to Freelance for us, okay? So if you like typing and want to work behind the scenes and not be in front of a camera, this is a perfect freelance job for you. And this kind of gig pays a lot of money, guys, okay? And you may not be so good in the beginning of something like this. I know this from experience, from typing on my own blog, okay? The more you do it, the faster you get and the better you get at it. So if you stick with this method, you will get better where you can earn a lot more per hour, because it's going to take you shorter time as you do practice, okay? So keep that in mind. But they are going to be paying really good rates. So for this site here, you just got to click here, I want to freelance, and then you're going to go through a process of their sign up, okay? And they're going to ask you some questions about yourself, about your portfolio, about your experience, about your social networks that you have, and so forth. So once you have your profile set up, you'll be ready to go to get gigs. But let's take a look down here. I'm going to go check out their FAQs, because there's a lot you might want to learn about this. So for this particular Skyward, you're not going to need to invoice, because they do everything through PayPal. So you don't have to worry about that. Do you work with agencies? Oh, so you could apply as an agency, but obviously you're not an agency, you're just an individual, so it's fine. I only have PDF samples, so you can have samples of your work in your portfolio as well. And so let's go to the FAQs. So I couldn't really find how old you have to be a freelancer for Skyward. So I would just, I mean, if you have experience freelancing and they like your work, I don't see why not. But I couldn't find an age limit. So you may have to do further research on your own or just contact them, right? So this is definitely worldwide, because they want your location, okay? So some clients do request contributors from specific locations, and so you want to make sure that you have your accurate location in there. So for the pay, they're not going to say anything about how much they're going to pay on here, but I have found on the internet a very good source of how much you get paid. It's from the people that work there, okay? So how do we handle invoice? So they're going to use PayPal for everything, and they pay twice a month, okay? So that is very good that you're going to be paid quickly and be paid through PayPal without withdrawal fees as well. And so I also found their payments, they are paying gigs like 175 to 250 to 500 at a time. So these are some samples of the payments that they have been made as well. So this is definitely a legit writing company that you want to work with. And then there's this lady as well that from this blog, Make a Living Writing. This person was able to talk to Flynn, Flynn is the Skyward's vice president of content services. So this is a very reliable source. And they're saying that you could get paid anywhere from that range. But if you have other topics, so lifestyle content is not going to pay that much. But if you have different types of articles that are more technical or more about business, they pay in the hundreds, okay? And then she also found writers like this person who had been writing for clients like IBM and all these different big companies through Skyward, and he was getting as little as 40 posts, but although most were between 75 to 100, and when he was the most active, he was earning 2,500 from Skyward. Okay, so that's no chump change, and it's a great source for you to get gigs and write for them. So writing like this will only get you so much money. Okay, so if you want to actually write for yourself, you could earn a lot more money. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to this platform right here. This platform, what this is that when you are writing for yourself, you could literally start your own business instead. Okay, when you write for yourself, you could earn over and over again from the writings that you do. So for example, if you're going to write for Skyward, right, you're going to get paid for that one article that they're going to pay you for, and that's all you're going to get. But when you write for yourself, like I have on my blog, workanywherenow.com, when you write for yourself, you could literally make money from all the things that you write about over and over again. So it's not just that you're going to get paid one time. You could get paid over and over again from articles that you've been written even a month ago, 6 months ago, a year ago. So this is very powerful when you can write for yourself. And this platform, Wealthy Affiliate, is going to teach you exactly how to write, what to write, how to develop this website of yours, and it's going to take you through the step-by-step training so that you can learn exactly how to do it. And then Wealthy Affiliate also, their training also teaches you how to use affiliate marketing, a business model that can allow your website to make money from everything that you write. Okay, so you're going to be learning the business model affiliate marketing, where you're just promoting other people's products, and they're going to teach you exactly how to use that and how to write about that and earn big money. Okay, so in 2016, I joined this platform, and this is what I created with the training, and they trained me so well that I became a super affiliate on their platform. Okay, so if you want to do the same thing and want to get to the site, you need to actually go to this link underneath that you see on the screen. It's going to be workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. And why you need to do this, because if you use if you just go to Wealthy Affiliate, you're not going to get my face on here, and you really do want to see my face on here, because I'm going to give you bonuses, and one of those bonuses is offering you free coaching on this training platform. Okay, I offer this because I know the training works, and you may just need some help answering some questions. So I'm going to be there for you to answer any questions that you have and give you strategies on how to write better or how to develop your online business and help you through the training. Okay, so I'm here for support, and we'll give you full support if you sign up with my link. It's workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and you'll see that I've earned a lot of money through this platform already. All you got to do once you sign up, okay, you can sign up for actually free, but I don't recommend you staying free at all, because you need premium to access the entire training here. So you need this full 5 levels. With your free account, you only get 1 level. So you need full 5 levels, and so you need to upgrade to premium to get the full access. But anyway, I was going to show you right here that you can look me up, go to my profile here and click my blog, and you'll see how much money that I've been earning on this platform. Okay, so it's very advantageous that you take this training seriously and put some real effort into it, because this is how you can earn over and over again from the work that you do. Okay, so this is why I recommend you writing for yourself, because I have done that with this website, workanywherenow.com, and it actually became a super affiliate on this platform. And so I know the training works. You just need to be dedicated to it and make it work for yourself. Okay, so check that out. It's going to be workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. And I hope you join me, because I'm going to be your free coach if you do, and plus other bonuses that you'll get to learn about when you sign up. I'm going to send you a message on your profile, okay? So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. I come out with videos all the time, but I don't know when they come out. So get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.